Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a babysitting website using Wix, which is completely free. So all you'll need to do is go onto wix.com. From there, you'll be able to create an account for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that. All you'll need is your email address, and from there, you can create a password and you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, you'll tap on Create New Site in the top right hand corner. Now once you have tapped on Create New Site, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can either choose for their AI to create a website for you, or you can set up one by yourself. I would recommend that you tap on Set Up without AI. This will allow you to add your own personal touches. From here, you can enter the type of website that you plan on creating. So we are creating a babysitting website. So all we'll need to do is type in babysitting, and you can see right there, babysitter. So we are going to tap on that. After you have done that, you're going to tap on next. Then from here, you're going to give it a few seconds while the AI prepares your dashboard. Once your dashboard has been prepared, I will be showing you how to continue editing your website. But one of the major pluses of Wix and why I recommend Wix to get started with your babysitting website is because Wix is beginner friendly, as they provide you with all of the tools you need even as a complete beginner. If this is your first time creating a website, I would definitely recommend Wix. And you can see right here, this is our dashboard. So we're going to enter our website name. So for example, simply babysitting. After you have done that, you can enter your business address. Then from there, you could tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on next, from there you could set up your working hours, so the hours that you're available. So you can tap on the days that you will be offering your services, and you can also type in the time that you'll be offering it. Then you'll tap on next. After tapping on next, you can see the typical features that would be offered by a babysitter. So you can see right here, down to dusk childcare. If you would like to offer virtual meet and greet, date night babysitting, and you can scroll down daycare tour, family fun night, all the different features that normally are offered by a babysitter. And if you would like to offer more features, all you'll need to do is tap on Create New Site right here. Then from there, you could enter the service name. Then you can enter the appointment type, and you can also enter the price. After you have done that, you'll tap on next. And if you have more than one staff members, you can enter the staff member's name and email address. Then tap on next. Then from here, you can set up the different type of payment methods that you will accept. So you're going to be accepting in-person payments, you would tap on that. If you're accepting online payments, you will tap on that. If you plan on selling digital or physical products, you could also select this. Then you'll tap on next. Once you have tapped on next, we'll tap on continue to dashboard. Once on our dashboard, I will be showing you how to set up the payment methods that you can offer to you. For example, I'll be showing you how to offer PayPal and so on. So all you will need to do is go over to the left hand menu option that you see right here. And from here, you are going to quickly scroll down, and we are going to be setting up our payment methods. So we are going to scroll down right where you see billing and payments. After you have tapped and directed to a new dashboard. Depending on where you're located, you'll see different payment methods. So we are going to tap on manage payment methods. After you have tapped on manage payment methods, you will be redirected to this page. And at the moment, you can see I'm located in Jamaica, and you can see that I'll be able to connect PayPal, and I will also be able to connect TiloPay. But if I were to change my location, for example, if I were to tap right here where you see Jamaica in the top right hand corner, And let's say I were to change my location to the United States, you will realize that I have different payment options that I can now offer. So by tapping on choose, you can see right there that I will now be able to connect Apple Pay, GPay, and numerous other features. Still have PayPal that I can connect to. And if I want to see even more payment methods, I could tap right there. I can connect with Afterpay and numerous options, as you can see right here. So if you would like to offer more payment methods, all you'll need to do is change your website location, and that's it. Now let's go over to the left hand menu option once more. Once on the left hand menu option, you can tap on booking channels. After selecting booking channels, you will be redirected here. And from here, if you have Facebook, you can connect Facebook. You can also connect your Instagram account. And you can also view your contacts by setting up contacts right here. In the future, when persons start visiting and booking often on your website, you'll be able to see their contact information. And to view your booking calendar, you'll simply go over to booking calendar. Then from there, you can select calendar, and you'll be able to see the different places that your staff or so on are booked to. So you'll be able to see how busy or how inactive your business is. Then after you have done that, and I hope that it is very active, so you can see right there. Once you're finished doing this, all you'll need to do now is go over to the top left hand corner, tap on setup, and I'm going to be showing you how to choose a theme for your website. So we are going to go over to the top right hand corner, select design site. Then from here, you're going to tap on pick a template. After selecting pick a template, you can see Wix provides you with numerous templates that you can choose from. So you can simply scroll down until you see a template of your liking. Let's say I want to use this one. I will simply tap on edit. Then you're going to give it a few seconds while the AI composes your new website in the background. I recommend that you tap right where you see zoom in. And now this is how your website looks at the moment. So you can scroll down and you can see this is how your website looks. Now to make some changes, you can change any section quite quickly with Wix. So all you have to do is hover over the particular section that you would like to change. Then you'll see an option quick edit. You could tap right there. Then from there, if you would like to change the text, you can do that. So you could tap right here and you could edit the text. You can also scroll down, and if you would like to change the vector art, you could do that by tapping on change right there. You can also change the background color if you want. So you can change anything you want. If you would like to change this section, all you'll need to do is tap on the section. From there, if you would like to change the background image, for example, you could tap on change. After you have tapped on change, you could select image. Then you're going to be redirected to a new pop-up, and you could tap on upload media and you could upload an image, or we could tap in the search bar, type in baby, then we could enter, and from there you'll see copyright free images that you can use. So you can scroll down, and let's say for example I want to use this image. I could tap on it, then tap on change background, and as you can realize, the background image has now changed, as you can see right there. And you can continue editing your website by simply tapping on back right there, then tapping on the X. And we can make changes to other pages by simply going over to the left hand menu option, tap on home. Then you could tap on about us. And by the way, the drop down option that you see right here in the top left hand corner, these are all of the pages that are currently on your website. So you can tap on any one of the pages, and from there you'll be able to start edit it. So you can scroll down. This is our about us page. From here you could add an image of yourself or one of your workers. Then you can enter your philosophy right there or your company information, as you can see right there. And by the way, if you would like to add text or a photo to any section that you don't see text or photo, you can simply tap on the plus in the top left hand corner which says add elements, and from there you could simply tap on the text box that you want to add. If it is an image you want to add, you could hover over image, then tap on upload image. You can add anything you want. If it is a contact form, you can tap on contact forms, and from there you'll also be able to create order form, registration forms, donation forms, application forms. Any form you'd like to create in the future, you can do that using Wix and by going over to the left hand menu option. So that is quite easy. Once you're closed out and you're alright with your website, so let me go to another page. I'll tap on about us right there, and let's say for example I were to tap on educators, so you'll see the different staff members right here. By scrolling down, you can see them right there. You can also edit this option, and if it is a case that you don't like the page and instead you would like to delete the page, you can do that by tapping on pages right here. Then you will select manage pages at the bottom left hand corner. After you have selected manage pages, let's say I would like to delete the groups page. I'll simply tap on the three dots in line with the page name, then tap on delete groups, or you can choose to hide the page. So I'm going to tap right there, then tap on delete, and it has now been deleted, as you can see right there. And that is how easy it is to delete or hide a page on Wix. Once you're finished, so let it uninstall real quick. Once you're finished, you'll simply tap on save in the top right hand corner, and then you'll tap on publish, and you will also be provided with a free domain name. So your website will now be hosted on Wix. The only thing that you will need to do in the future, I would recommend that you go onto their paid plan for even more features, and that will allow you to also remove any ads that may pop up. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.